What's up, everybody? Some more home improvement stuff here, and hopefully stuff to help me wash the car better. But do have a driveway to clean, so today this is a review of the Ryobi, or unboxing of the Ryobi 1600 psi pressure washer, and also in order to help clean the garage or the driveway, excuse me, the surface cleaner. I also, having researched Obsessed Garage. I bought some quick connects from Obsessed Garage. You can look them up on YouTube. They go through testing of many pressure washers. I just chose to go with the Ryobi brand. And these are those quick connects. I'll open those a little later on. Here we go. I'll do the surface cleaner first. Well packaged. And this surface cleaner is what's going to help me clean the driveway. It's got two jets inside, and it's going to help glide across and clean the driveway. I'll show you when I'm finished unboxing what project is involved with that. So it comes in the plastic and also comes with a set of instructions. Okay, now we have the pressure washer itself. And in the pressure washer box, we have the Ryobi wand, the gun, here's the hose. Oh, it's got some good weight to it. Pressure washer itself, and the power cord attached. Turn it around. You can see it's got two nozzles included there, and then we also have the soap dispenser nozzle, which that attaches to right there when you want to soap up, and it also has more instructions and another turbo nozzle. Turbo nozzle is a quick connect. And those quick connects like this, you just snap in. Now it's secure. All right, there goes the unboxing. I will say, let me finish this. Speaking of the quick connects, these are the Obsessed Garage quick connects. They have a video on their website of what to attach where, but it's basically just to help set up your pressure washer at a much quicker pace in and out. So these are the quick disconnects. One will be to the hose, and the hose, the gun, right here as well. That's for the hose, and here, the other end of the gun. All right. I'm sorry, the other end of the hose. So two ends of the hose, and we have the garden hose connection, which should be right there. And there's your unboxing. I'll put everything together in another video. Thanks for watching.